Hey everyone, so it is Sunday and we are here in Dupont State Forest in North Carolina. We're going to do Triple Falls Trail, which has views of several different waterfalls, so it should be fun. So as we got to the trailhead, there was this sign here. So we're still going to try to do it because there's a lot of people. I don't know if it's just the platform that's closed or if it's the whole trail, but we'll find out. I don't think we'll be swimming today, but good to know. So I don't know if you can hear me with the waterfall behind me, but you're able to walk down this pretty steep path to get to the base of the lower falls, which is pretty cool. We are back here. So we went down super steep path up at the viewpoint to get down to the falls, but we decided we didn't really want to go back up it, so you can walk along the river here and get back to this point. But now we got to go back up that steep hill that we went up at the beginning. So I think we're now on High Falls Trail. When I first found this hike, I found it on all trails, but of course all trails doesn't work when there's no service. So I'm trying to follow the hiking project map as best I can, and hopefully we'll do the route that I originally wanted us to do. again, I don't know if you can even hear me, but we're trying to get over on that rock where all those people are, but you have to do a pretty difficult crossing to get there, so Todd's being lame and he doesn't want to do it. So we did end up crossing to get on the rock and really close to the falls. I didn't get to film it because it was pretty difficult and a little slick, so I didn't want to drop my camera in the water. But yeah, so I'm so glad we did it though. Little challenging though. So we're gonna stop for lunch here at the waterfall. It was kind of cool. There was a couple that got engaged at the waterfall, so I was able to snap some pics of them and give them to the people, so that was pretty cool. But we're gonna stop for lunch, relax for a few minutes. So we made a little detour from our hike and went to the covered bridge that overlooks the high falls, and this is the view from there. So this is what was closed, but honestly this hike is definitely still worth doing even with this being closed. A lot of great views of the waterfall at other points. So we're almost back to the parking lot. We did the Triple Falls Trail and then went on to High Falls Trail and stopped at the covered bridge, but looks like there's actually another waterfall that you can get to from the parking lot that we parked at, so we're gonna try to do that one as well. So we just got finished with our hike. We did Triple Falls Trail to High Falls Trail and then added on Hooker Falls Trail as well. Overall, really great hike. The path is mostly like a dirt gravel situation, so not too technical or anything like that. Not a huge uphill, but I will say you can make this hike a bit more challenging if you go to the base of the falls, which I would highly recommend. Completely different experience. I'm really glad that we kind of pushed ourselves out of our comfort zone and did the pretty challenging creek crossing to get to the base of High Falls, because it ended up being a really, really awesome view. I think probably one of our favorite parts of the hike. I was definitely pleasantly surprised by this trail. All trails, the pictures didn't do it justice. It ended up being really beautiful. Yeah, so the pictures definitely did not do it justice. It was absolutely beautiful. And I'm really, really thankful that we're able to get these hikes in, you know, in early March, being down south with the weather being so nice. Definitely couldn't do this in Ohio or even some places out west. So I'm just really, really thankful that we came down here for the summer and are able to do some pretty good hiking. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching and keeping up with my adventures while I'm here in South Carolina. If you could give this video a like, I'd greatly appreciate it, and would also appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel.